There, guys. I was gonna sign off, but then I thought, you know what? Some of these look really cool. And on these puppy pee pads, I will not have skins to play with later. So I thought, you know what? I want to see what it's gonna look like if I do a few tiles. So I've got some tiles. Clean them off with 91% alcohol. Okay. Just a quick swipe on those. I just want to see what they're going to look like when I don't know, I'm kind of thinking about doing a dip. Never done tiles before, so I also have a little bit left in this cup. So I wanted to see if I could pour. I got a huge box of these tiles. Because I thought, you know what? These would make great gifts. Because I don't really see myself giving away any of my paintings just yet. But maybe if I painted on some tile, maybe that I'd be willing to part with. Isn't that pretty? I like from the bottom of the cup too because the lines are so teeny tiny. It's almost like proportional to doing it on a canvas. Should I have taped the ends, the bottom first? I've also ordered some sealant for the tiles, just today actually, because I feel like the polyacrylic and things maybe are not going to be the best for sealing the tiles because of heat. As an avid coffee drinker myself, it is really important that they be able to hold up to cups actually being used on them. So maybe what I'll do is I'll test these. How cool is that? I will test these with the different finishes I get, and then I'll do that. I've seen a few of those and I really like people actually taking the time to do that. One down. I want to try to dip. I'm curious if that's actually going to work. Like right here. I kind of just want to dip and drag. Well, it looks cool on there. I don't know about this tile though. Maybe I should have dipped again, and then maybe this is the kiss of death. Maybe this will muddy this one so much I'll just have to do it again. Yes, indeedio. I'll just wipe it off. We'll try that one again later. Back to the do-over pile for this one. Actually, I say back to the do-over pile. This is a new do-over pile since I've never done the tiles before. But I like the way some of these drippings came out, so maybe the drippings need to be as big as the tile. Nope. my theory is not panning out. Yeah, no, that's not gonna work for me. How about over here? What do you think? Let's try something a little bit different. How about that? I need a bigger spatula. What do you guys think? I think so. In theory, this is awesome, but I need a bigger spatula. Nope, not it. Right. Bigger spatula. I don't know. Maybe? Maybe? Well, I definitely like using the bottom of the cup because it's just got a little bit of those lines. Yeah. This is a muddied mess, in my opinion. This is a maybe, I think. I'm going to put this in the maybe pile. I want to see how it dries. I think this is going to be maybe for bigger pours with a lot more paint, and oh, maybe. That's a maybe for me. That's a maybe. I'm going to put it in the pile. I'm going to see how it dries. Maybe. But the first one, the bottom of the cup, for the win. All right. Thanks for watching, you guys. One theory. Tried. Boy, the spatula's pretty, though. All right. I'm calling it. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. If you have any comments or suggestions or ways that I can use my drippings better, even if it's on tile or anything else, since I'm not using a silicone mat yet, please, please, please put in the comments and let me know. Thanks a lot. Bye.